The Metrics Male and Female Strength and Conditioning Athlete of the Year Award is presented each year to one male and one female student athlete who demonstrate commitment and dedication in the area of strength and conditioning. These two student athletes push themselves and their teammates to the limit during every team workout, while also putting in that extra effort on their own time to improve their physical fitness. This year's Strength and Conditioning Athlete of the Year Award winners are Eric Cabrera and Jessie Stavola. Stavola, a starting pitcher on the softball team, is always looking to improve her game, and her hard work has helped her do just that. She currently is ranked number 1 in all of Division II with 15.6 strikeouts per 7 innings pitched, a testament to her dedication to the team. Cabrera, an infielder on the Dowling baseball team, can always be seen putting in extra time in the weight room, providing that extra boost for not just himself but also his team. Eric currently has 23 hits on the season and was named the Metrics Strength and Conditioning Student Athlete of the Month earlier this year. Congratulations to Jessie Stavola and Eric Cabrera, this year's Metrics Strength and Conditioning Student Athletes of the Year.